How to delete account on Telegram. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Telegram account. Now it's quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First, what you'll need to do is simply head into your browser, and what you need to do is search in for Telegram account delete. Now here I'll just search in for Telegram account delete. You can see here on the screen, and you'll be get the first link that you can see, my.telegram.org. If you want, you can simply head directly into the web page, or you can head it this way. Now here you can see delete account or manage apps. Now type in your phone number with your country code or in an international format. I'll just type in my number here as you can see on the screen. Once you type in your phone number, simply tap on next option, and here you'll be sent a confirmation code. Now remember, you will not receive the confirmation code on your phone number or your SMS, or instead you'll receive it in your Telegram app. So what you need to do is simply head into Telegram app, open it up, and here you can see web login from the Telegram. Now here you can see there received a request from your account to log in. This is your code. Simply what you need to do is here copy the code. Now you can see that I've copied my confirmation code. Just head into the confirmation code. I just typed in an invalid one by mistake, so I'll just make sure to type in the confirmation code correctly and then click on sign in. Once you sign in, you can see you'll get three different options: API development tools, delete account, and log out. Simply click on delete account option here, and here you will get a confirmation asking you to delete your account. Now simply what you want to do is, on why are you leaving, you can type in your reason. What you can do is here simply click on delete my account option. Here you can see warning, please only delete your account if you no longer want to use Telegram. Simply tap on yes, delete my account, and your account will be deleted. So this way you can delete your Telegram account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.